Tired of picking up baby's pacifier? Here's a trick. Let baby pick it up.
Go, 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 go!
There you go, baby. That's better, right? Easy, right? Here you go, baby. Time for your bottle.
No!
Come on now. You need to drink up. Peekaboo! Peekaboo, baby!
I'm not falling for it!
What am I gonna do? None of this is working. Maybe some music? How can this baby hate music so much? This rattle has to work. I mean, it looks like a lion.
I hate lions! And I hate Daddy, too!
Nothing can soothe this baby! I've gotta try something completely different. Alright, time to cut out this picture of mommy's face. Then I'll attach a string to it. It's elastic and stretchy, which will help. Next up, I need her bathrobe. Ooh, it's so silky and smooth. I like it. And now for the face. I'll just put it on the side of my head. Perfect!
Whoa! Mommy!
Bottle time! Yes! I'm a genius! Finally the baby is eating!
Bottle good!
I've got the clean bottle, ready to go. Now to make baby formula. What are the correct measurements? I'll wing it. I'll just dump some in. It should be fine. Oh, that's a huge mess. Okay, this time I'll measure instead. I've got my 1 scoop. Careful. Careful. I've got too much. I'll blow off the extra. Oof. That powder got everywhere. Alright, 3rd time's the charm. I'll just scrape the excess off on the counter. No! This is ridiculous! How can this be so hard? I can do this! Stop shaking! Why are my hands shaking so much? Ah! Oh my gosh! Look at this mess in here! Here, let me show you a trick. You'll need a butter knife. Cut a slice into the foil top. Then peel up half of the foil. Now you have space to scoop and a lid to scrape. See? It's easy. Now here you go. Wow, look at how flat that powder is now. Time to shake up this formula for the baby.
Gaga gaga!
Yikes. Well, baby still needs to eat.
Mom! My hair! Will you tie back for me?
Oh sure, of course I will. Okay, I've got it pulled up. Now spin! Keep spinning. It's coming together. Good job! You're really good at spinning. That should be enough. Now to just wrap the scrunchie around the hair.
Whee! I love spinning!
She should be fine. I think.
Ooh, look at this place! Pretty! Wow! Spin, spin, spin! Ooh, my favorite place so far!
This was definitely a good manicure.
Yay! Spin, 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 spin!
Oh, this maybe is a bit of a problem. I know what to do. Hey, put this on. It's time for dance class! Lovely! Time to put on a recital. There she is! Oh, she's so beautiful! She could be the prima donna! The star of the whole recital! The whole company, even! Yes! Queen! That's my little girl! Oh, there it is! Her spinning! Her signature dance move! Brava! Brava! What a performance! I'm totally moved by the beauty! And then the little pony tippy-tapped its way home. Yay! This is my favorite story! And once there, it settled down into the warm straw and fell asleep. And now it's time for you to go to sleep too.
But I don't want to go to sleep. The dark is scary. What's that?
Shadow monsters!
Mom!
Oh my gosh! What is it?
There's a scary shadow monster!
Oh, I see. Don't worry, I've got a solution. Look, here's Mommy's special monster spray. This was so easy to make. All I needed was a spray bottle, a marker, and some fun stuff. I used the marker to write on the spray bottle. I needed to label it to make it seem legit. It didn't take long to write the words. I added a googly eye for the O. It looked really good, but I wanted some more pizzazz. Golden sparkly stars! Then all I had to do was fill it with water from the tap, because she won't know any different. Ta-da! I've got monster spray!
Monster spray? It scares away monsters?
Yep. Good night.
Take this and this, monsters! Yeah, monsters are in trouble now. What's that? Monster! Ah! Gotta spray it!
Ooh! Honey! Stop! It's me!
Mommy? Oh, sorry.
Well, it's okay, I guess. I'm just glad you feel safe now. Phew! That's all the cleaning done!
Yay! She's gone! Now I can play! Come on, toys! Back out you go! What's this? Carrot? No, boring! What about ice cream cone? No, boring. I'm gonna eat this candy! I love candy! It's my favorite! Oh, I know what I should do! Drawing! What color should I start with? Yellow and pink! Alright, yellow. Time for art on the wall!
Ahem. Excuse me, miss. Give me this. What do you think you're doing? You're gonna need this for sure. There. Now you can draw all you want.
Yay! I'm gonna draw a heart. Hearts are pretty.
Oh my! Look at this mess she made! I just cleaned up in here! Alright, I'm gonna need to do something clever with this tape. There! I've taped a square shape on the floor. Perfect! This should work! Darling, come over here, please! Good. Okay, see this mess you made? Can you put everything in the square on the floor? So sweet. She's picking up her things and putting them right in the square like I'd hoped.
Bye, Mommy! There! Everything's in the square!
Oh! She finished picking up! Like a little angel! Wait, where is she? She must have left her room.
Hi, Mommy!
Oh. Oh no.
Look! I put tape squares in your room, too! So you can put your stuff away, too! I took it all out for you, too!
Wow. Okay, thank you. So sweet. How would you get baby to take its bottle? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.